Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Higgsfield AI getting stuck in queue when you're trying to generate something like a character or image. So let's say you've already uploaded your images and you clicked generate and now your request is just sitting in the queue. Now the first thing you want to do is simply wait. A lot of the time this happens because of high traffic, especially if you're creating something more complex like a unique character. It can take around 15 to 30 minutes and in some cases even a bit longer. So don't panic right away. There's a good chance it's still processing in the background. Now, if you've already waited more than 30 minutes and nothing's happening, here's what you can try next. You want to go to your browser settings by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. From here, you want to look for the option to clear browsing data. Now here, you want to make sure you select cached images and files and also include cookies and history, then go ahead and delete that data. And once that's done, restart your browser and open Higgsfield AI again. This should help refresh your session and can fix issues where the requests get stuck or doesn't update properly. If it's still not working after that, your best option is to give it a bit more time. In most cases, the request will eventually go through once the servers catch up. So that's it. If Higgsfield AI is stuck in queue, just remember wait it out first, then clear your cache and restart your browser if needed. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.